There is an important factor in the ambition of Semiosis 101 to bear in mind with a semiotic Rosetta Stone. There is not one single designer-centric lexicon to use. The design process is qualitative and expressive. Design is influenced by a range of theoretical and practical influences, and the language that a designer or illustrator inherits depends upon their design school teaching and the language their mentors have used. An example of this multifaceted lexicon problem can be illustrated with the different ways designers and illustrators refer to the sketching of a concept to demonstrate their intent to a client. To name a few alternatives, we could refer to this as a rough, a scan, a sketch, or a visual. They are all a moment of visual communication. In a Peircean way, they are a moment of iconic encoding.